This 1955 Smith Corona Silent Super has been restored to excellent working condition. It has new platinum rubber and it's ready for use. This machine is in excellent working condition. Has new rubber on the platen from J.J. Short. The feed rollers and rubber feet have been reconditioned and are in good shape. The finish on it's in pretty good shape, although it does have some nicks and blemishes from use. Right here on the front is probably the most noticeable. A little mark here and here also. The back corners have some pretty good scrapes on them. But overall, it's a really nice looking machine. Got that nice light brown finish. And it types just fantastic. There's new belt on the key basket and the new ribbon installed, of course. This machine also comes with a reprinted user's manual and the original case, which has been cleaned and it is solid and it does latch well. And it looks really nice. It's a nice brown color. It does have a few marks here and there just from normal use, but really it looks pretty good. Just a little bit of a dent there. That's for the 1955 model Silent Super.